Hello, welcome to another lecture. So in this lecture, before we move forward, I want to show you how to make an axis. And you probably won't be using this feature, but I still want to show you how to make it nonetheless, because there are easy other ways to revolve, because mostly an axis is used for revolving. So you can add a center line into your sketch to revolve around. So personally, I don't use the axis, but I still want to show you how to make one. So to start, let's click on the reference geometry and select axis. The first kind is a line axis, a one line. So we'll select our line, and now you can see Solidworks drew the axis 1 on that line. And I drew all this sketch previously just to show you the different option under the axis. The second type of axis is a two-plane axis. So when I select this line and I select my front plane and my right plane, and now as you can see, at the point where those two planes intersect, Solidworks will draw an axis there. And the third type of axis is a two-point axis. So when I select this point and that point, and again you get your axis. And the third type of axis is a cylinder axis. So if I select this cylinder, and Solidworks will draw an axis in this at the center point of that cylinder. And the last type of axis is a point to plane. So I need to select the point and I need to select the plane. And now as you can see, Solidworks has drawn a line that is coincident between this point and this plane. And those are pretty much all the different ways you make an axis. But there are other ways in Solidworks. Like I said, there isn't one way to model in Solidworks. There are many ways to model, and there are actually easier ways to model without making an axis. But anyway, that's how you make one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.